Welcome to Crypto Home. How to trade crypto, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Trading crypto doesn't have to feel overwhelming, especially when you're using a reliable, beginner-friendly platform like BingX. Below is a clear, no jargon walkthrough of how to get started and execute your first trade. Step 1. Create and verify your BingX account. Go to the BingX website, https://binx.com, or download the BingX app, iOS, Android. Sign up with your email or phone number. Complete KYC verification. Basic ID upload. This unlocks higher withdrawal limits and full trading access. Tip: BingX supports fast, intuitive verification. Most users finish in under 2 minutes. Step 2. Deposit funds. You can fund your account in 2 main ways. Fiat deposit. Use credit debit card, bank transfer, or local payment methods. Varies by region. To buy USDT or other stablecoins directly. Crypto deposit. Transfer crypto, for example, BTC, ETH, BNB. Go to wallet deposit. Select a cryptocurrency, for example, USDT, and network, for example, TRC20 or ERC20. Copy the deposit address and send funds from your external wallet or another exchange. Funds appear instantly or within minutes, depending on network confirmation. Step 3. Choose your trading pair. Once funds are in your spot wallet, head to the trade section. Select spot trading, then search for a pair, for example, BTC USDT, Bitcoin versus Tether, ETH USDT, Ethereum versus Tether, Sol USDT, XRP USDT, or any supported pair. You'll see real-time price charts, order book depth, and recent trades, all powered by live BingX market data. Step 4. Place your first order. There are 3 common order types. Start with the simplest. Market order, fastest and easiest. Buys or sells immediately at the best available price. Ideal for beginners who want execution speed over precise pricing. Example: buy 0.01 BTC at the current market price, approximately 90,750. 02 USDT as of latest BingX K-line data. Limit order, more control. Sets a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Your order waits in the order book until the market reaches your price. Great for targeting entry or exit points. Stop limit/stop market for risk management. Used to automatically trigger an order when price hits a certain level. Helpful for protecting profits or limiting losses. Pro tip: use BingX's built-in chart tools with indicators like moving averages or RSI to help decide your entry. No third-party apps needed. Step 5. Monitor and manage your position. After placing an order, check open orders to track active ones. View your order history and trade history anytime. Your purchased assets appear instantly in your spot wallet, ready to hold, trade again, or withdraw. Step 6. Withdraw when you're ready. Go to wallet, right arrow, spot wallet, withdraw. Select coin, for example, USDT. Enter amount and destination address. Confirm with 2FA. Funds leave your BingX wallet quickly and securely. That's it. 6 clean, actionable steps from zero to your first trade. No jargon, no fluff. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and get notifications on for more details.